Hi, I'm Joann Colón, an American English Conversation Tutor. This means I help adults learning English to speak English comfortably. Today, I want to share an article with you about laundry. Now, laundry, it is about washing clothes or dirty clothes, but it can also be something else, which today's article will explain. But first, I have a question. What laundry expressions do you have in your language? Let's go to this article and we'll come back to this question later. Your dirty laundry has nothing to do with clothes. Wrinkle, wrinkle. The W doesn't do anything really, it's kind of silent. So we start with the R, and in the N, it's not like wrinkle, but wrinkle, like ing, like ring, wrinkle, wrinkle, wrinkle. A line or fold in something. The wrinkles in his suit were very noticeable. Now, even the nicest outfit in the nicest wardrobe collects dirt and wrinkles. Then that outfit becomes dirty clothes. But why use that ordinary term when you can call it laundry? Laundry, very simply, is any fabric that we need to wash. I hope this video was helpful for you today. Back to my question. What laundry expressions do you have in your language? I understand in Mexico there is the expression no manches, which is like do not stain or do not make dirty, like clothes. And it is used as an expression to express or to tell that you are surprised, saying, like, no way, you gotta be kidding me. I don't believe you. Something like this. So if your friend tells you the parents are getting divorced, you can say, no manches, or something like this. If you are from Mexico, or if you know this expression and I'm not explaining it correctly, please let me know or write in the comments. I would appreciate any correction. But can you think of a similar laundry expression from your language? Please write it in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. If you don't know, this video is the short of the original video you can find on my site, impruling.com/videos. This full video, other full videos, how much they cost, the subscriptions, how much you save with the subscriptions, all of that you can find at this link. And the link is in the description. Now, we all have dirty laundry, but whatever it is, I hope that you have a great day.